Welcome back, friends. What we're going to talk about in today's video is we're going to check out an endurance test that I did with this light from Parts AM. It is an emergency light that goes on top of your car, has 4 magnets, hold it tight to the roof. And if you'd like to see a detailed video all about the features of this light, click on the video over here. But today's video, all it's going to be is an endurance test. We're going to see how good it did. Now, this is a 12-volt light that goes into the utility socket of a car. So what I did was I have an adapter. It goes from 110 to 12 volt right here. Is being fed electricity from this timer. I have this timer running for 365 days, a full year, 8 hours a day, every day. All the way up to the light, and as you can see, still working. And I had this thing going through all types of conditions. All winter long last winter, and then all summer. And believe it or not, it actually got pretty cold last December. We had temperatures all the way down to 16, 18 degrees. And just like any other southerner, I had to set out a sprinkler just to show how cold it really was. We didn't have any moisture at the time, no freezing rain, but I set out the sprinkler just to show you that it actually did get cold, and those are real icicles, and the light did just fine. The only thing, though, in my stupidity, just like any good southerner, I did not think of the hazards. So a few curious people found out how slick the ice can be on the concrete. And then my poor wife, just trying to dump the recyclables into our recycling bin, she took a pretty hard fall. But don't worry, she's just fine. Now let's take a closer look and see how the light fared. Plastic on top, it has faded pretty good, but I don't see any cracking in the lenses. Little bit of yellowing, which would be expected, but all the lights work. The mode select still works. Seems to definitely be worth the money. So if you're looking for an inexpensive option to keep yourself safe, or a mail carrier that you may know, roadside construction worker, whatever it may be, this is a very good option. This one here you can actually find on Amazon as of November 20th, 2023 for $44. So now I get to make my neighbors very happy by forever retiring the annoying blinking light in my backyard. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day. See you next time.